In today's video, we will cover 4 product growth strategies and review some examples so you can see them in action and understand how to apply them. This is an Ansoff matrix. It shows 4 types of growth options. On the top left, we have existing products to existing customers, market penetration. The focus here is to stick to your strengths and saturate your existing customer base further. So long as your sales steadily grow and there is no threats in the foreseeable future, concentrate on advertising and driving incentive with promotions. An example of this is when Yorkie Bar launched their Not for Girls campaign, or when McDonald's do their annual Monopoly competition. Underneath we have existing products for new customers, market development. The goal in this situation is to reach a wider audience with minimal product change and using clever marketing to gain a new customer base. For example, when aspirin was marketed as a daily must by stating it's good for overall heart health, or when makeup companies started targeting new demographics by being more inclusive. On the top right, we have new products to new customers, product development. Normally, but not always, staying within your industry niche, the plan is to create new products to gain market share. For example, Barbie and other toy companies. Year on year, they flood the market with new products. And to drum up sales, generally coincide their launch dates with a popular movie with limited stock to drive demand. And on the bottom right, we have new products to existing customers, diversification. The goal in this situation is to build on what you know and expand your product range. Some product change or innovation is typically required to reach new customers. For example, Apple, they have vastly extended their product range: watches, iPads, laptops, phones, etc. Or Dyson, who started with hoovers and now produce fans and even hair appliances. Check out my channel for other videos on this topic. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe and like this video to see more like it in the future.